evening, everybody. Spirit wants us to simplify our lives, put our energy into basic things, and let go of excess. Be careful to not take risks. There is transformation happening, and it's going to be stunning, and we're going to have peace of mind. They say sweet results await, and we're going to have happiness. All our cups are going to be filled. But we must be careful of great pride. We must trust in the divine. We have reassessed the issues that were holding us back, and they say we must co create with Spirit now. Justice is coming. We must think of our feet on our feet as far as our affairs go with family and come home to ourselves, what makes us happy and at peace. It's time for a beginner's mind. Start all over again within yourself. And they say every storm does come to an end. Where there's discord amongst friends and family, we must take things slowly. You will be shown the way. We have temporary problems, and they want us to tend to those small things. Your guardian angels are watching over you, and there is a happy surprise coming. Something very good is about to happen for you. You must collaborate with others, but also keep your own mind correct. Have a stable mind, and you will get success. The cow spirit says the miracles are endless in the world and in our lives. Things are coming to an end, but don't harp on what's coming to an end. Look ahead of you, because there's money and happiness and lots of wonderful things. There's luck on our side. It's a very, very exciting time now to be alive. Have a happy, lovely evening, everybody, and you know I love you very, very much.